Preview.
Hi guys, welcome to the new basic learning in the mathematics section, in which I'm going to cover the chapter that was left behind. That the name of the chapter was indices and exponents. In that chapter I have done some laws, 6 laws I have done, and I have told you the questions in form of that can come in your exams, and you will be able to face that questions. So in this particular part, I'm going to do more questions related to that chapter, and if you have not seen the video, the link is in the description box. Please go check it out first and then see this video. Otherwise you are not going to understand any question, because after the laws only you can do the questions easily. So this chapter I told you before also that this is the most easiest chapter in the standard 9th. You can do very easily. The answers also you can see from the question only, you can see the answer, that the answer will be this. So without any delay, let's start the video. So the question number 1 is to evaluate, and the questions are 5 to the power 0, 2 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 4, minus 2 to the power minus 2, 2 upon 3 to the power 0, and 3 upon 4 to the power minus 3. Let's solve them one by one. So in this question number 1, this is 5 to the power 0. So when there is nothing, I told you also, if there is 0 also and there is nothing, then the power is considered as 1. So the simple answer is only 1. No problem. Okay. 5 is considered, the power is considered as 1, so the answer is 1. Next question is 2 to the power minus 3. Now here, minus 3 we have to write, means 2 times we have to write minus 2. 3 times, that is. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay. So when you subtract, or you can say when you cancel the minus from minus, we get plus, and when minus and plus, we calculate, that is plus minus minus. So 2 into 2 and 4 to the 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So the minus will be in the reciprocal, that is 1 upon 8. It will be written as 1 upon 8. Okay. This will be written as 1 upon 8. This is, we have calculated 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and the minus is in the reciprocal, that is 1 upon 8. This is also simple. I know you know the answer, that is 1 upon 10,000. It means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, and 1 upon 10,000 we get the answer. Now the fourth question is minus 2 to the power minus 2. Simply you can cut the zeros from minus from minus, we get plus, and 2 times, we have to write 2 to the 4. This is the answer. Now in the first question, in the very first question I told you, and the question was this. So the answer was 1. So here also the answer will also be 1, because it is asking the power. What is the power? So it is only 1. It can be considered as 0 also, and it is considered as 1 also. Now the sixth question is 3 upon 4 to the power minus 3. We have to write this 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 times, you can put minus also, and minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So 3 into 3, when we will calculate it, it will give 27, and it will give 64. So now when we will reciprocal this, the minus is cancelled from minus, and we have to do the reciprocal, so we get the answer 64 upon 27. Now the next question is given that 4 to the power 1 upon 2. So how you will be solving this? When you do the square of 4, we get 2. And when you multiply this 2, when we take out the common from this 2 into 2, you get 2. This is the simple answer. I told you again, I am telling you again that when you do the square of 2 is 4. So we write it once, and we write this 2 at once. So when we take out common from this, we get 2 as the answer. Now the eighth question is 2 to the power minus 2 upon 5 to the power minus 2. So write it 2 times, 2 into 2 and 5 into minus 5. cancel, and 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25. When we change this into reciprocal, it will be 25 upon 4 as the answer. Now the next question is 3x 0 minus 1 and 3x 0 plus 1. So here the power is given 0, so you can consider it as 1. Okay, 3x 1, or if you don't write, there is no problem. 3x plus 1. When you minus 3x from 1 from 3x, you get 2x upon 4x. Okay, x is cancelled from x, 2 2s are 4. So here your answer is 2. Now in this question it is written a to the power 1 upon 3. So here when we write 3 times 2, we get 8. Now in this group we take out common 2, and in this group we take out common 2. So your answer is 2. Now the second question is 16 to the power 1 upon 4. So when you write 2 4 times, 2 into 2 into 2. So in this part we take out common 2, and in this also we take out common 2, and we are left with 2, as simple as that. Now in this question, minus 27 1 upon power 1 upon 3, it is given. When we write 3 times 3 times 3, 3 into 3 into 3, or you can say 3 cube, it is 27. So we take out common from this 3 and common from this 3, and we are left with minus 3. This is the answer. This is most simple chapter you can do in the question, and the questions are also simple and the answer are also simple. Now the next question is 32 power 3 upon 5. 32 is the power 3 upon 5. So when we write 2 5 times, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, take out common into 2. Now 2 into 2 and 2, we are left with 2, and multiply 3 times. When we do 2 3 times, we get 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. This is the answer. Now the question is 125 to the power minus 2 upon 3. So when we write 5 3 times, we get 125, and when we take out common from this, 5 into 5, and common is 5 only, and when we multiply 2 times 5, we get 5 5 25 minus 25, and now the reciprocal is 1 upon 25. दिस इज द आंसर. सो गाइस, ये था आज का वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें दोस्तों के साथ अपने, और सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को, और बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि आपको हमारा कोई भी अपडेट मिस करना ना पड़े. और एक चीज़ और, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो आप मुझे बताएं, कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं मुझे कि वीडियो कैसा लगा, और अपने क्वेश्चंस भी मुझसे, अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में, आपको ज़रूर आंसर दूंगी. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.